this cover does come out at this point, but there's no, I know I need to take this crank bolt out, so I'll go ahead and do that. To do that, I'm going to lower the engine slowly. Alright, engine's all the way lowered. I believe it's a 19. Let me go check on that. Alright, so now I'm going to take the crankshaft bolt off, which is a 19 millimeter. Now, as far as getting this, next thing you need to do is get the dampener off.
Well, that's as far as it's going to go. I was kind of hoping I could get it over here, but not that way. As long as nothing else goes on the shelf, I can attempt stuff. If any more weight goes on it, it's going to break. Because it's already hanging off over there. You put it too short. I know what the intention was. The intention was to mill it over here. But it didn't go long enough.
Right. Now we got the dampener off. Alright. You see that notch? It's sitting at about 11 o'clock right now. Let me put my hand on it. Let's see if I can. Right there. Okay. Now that has to be turned to right here. Now, on an interference engine, you would have already done this, but you could still do it at this point. It's not like you've loosened anything on the belt. So there's a slot. Hopefully you can see it, but there's a slot in the block right here. It's sitting at 12 o'clock. That needs to be lined up with that dimple that's sitting at 11 o'clock. I'll get back to that. Let's go up top and talk about the camshaft. Oh, we don't even have our cover out yet. Let's get our cover off now. Sucker should just come right. Let me lift the engine up and make it a little easier. Okay, came around. See, there's nothing on the bottom that's it will slide out. But it's just easier. I mean, you've seen how easy it came off once I got the crankshaft. It's just saving yourself time to wait. All right, we're getting somewhere. You guys, you're gonna get through this, man. If this is your first time about, this is a great one to start on. Pretty easy. Do not let the shop take your money. This time about can be done for $17.